Next, I'll demonstrate the basket weave stitch. It requires 2 strands of floss. One serves as the horizontal axis and one as the vertical axis. Let me show you how. We'll use 6 strands of color number 5 for this stitch. Let's start with the horizontal lines. Bring the needle up on the left side and take it down on the right side. From the back, return the needle to the left side. Following this left up, right down pattern, complete all the horizontal lines. Next, use 6 strands of color number 6 for vertical lines. Bring the needle up at the top. Pass over the first line. Go under the second line. Pass over the third line. Go under the fourth line. Then pull the thread. Take the needle down here. Now weave the second line. Weave opposite to the first line, creating an alternating pattern. Go under the third line. Pass over the fourth line. Go under the fifth line. Pull the thread straight. This creates an interwoven pattern. Take it down. Let me demonstrate once more. Bring the needle up at the top. First pass over line 1. Go under line 2. Pass over line 3. Under line 4. Pull the thread straight. Take it down. Following these steps, continue the weaving. Remember to weave through threads only, not the fabric. Take the final stitch down. Let's look at the finished result. This is a commonly used stitch in embroidery. Perfect for weaving patterns, like creating this basket here. Let's demonstrate the basket next to it. It's a variation of this basic stitch. Let me show you how. First, use 6 strands of color number 6 for center lines. Take the needle down on the right. Same as the previous steps. Left up, right down. Now let's stitch the vertical lines. Using 6 strands of color number 4 for this part. Bring the needle up at the top. Just like we did before. Weave the thread through horizontal lines. Let's arrange the thread with our needle. Take it down at the bottom. Since horizontal lines follow the frame, vertical lines should also follow the frame pattern. Let me show one more time. Using this crossing method, complete all vertical lines. Now for the outer frame. Using the outline stitch. Start from the right side. Again, using 6 strands of color number 6. Take it down. Following these steps, complete the entire frame. Take it down. Now add the handle, also using the outline stitch. Final stitch down. The basket weave stitch is complete. Let's look at the finished result.